Welcome to Real Life Investing. This is Al. I'm going to talk to you guys today about Chronos, also known as crypto.com. What's that? Ticker symbol CRO. Now, let's go ahead and start setting the scene real quick. Bitcoin is going to be at 82,900. Ethereum is around 1,800. Just to give you a heads up, fear and greed index, fear right now is at 24. So we're definitely being challenged, but at the same time, hang tight and things should be okay. If you like what you see today, just ask you to like and subscribe to the channel. We'll just go ahead and ask you to join us for the ride. Looking for some great things to happen. I want to say this real quick about crypto.com. Let's go ahead and look a little bit into it somewhat. Right now, currently, crypto.com is a little bit over 10 cents. I want to say this before we go into anything else, real quick, is that what we want to see is the fact that crypto.com is most likely going to be recession proof. We just got some really good information about crypto.com. And so let's just jump right into what we were saying here. One of the things that crypto.com is had really positive to come up is the fact that it's now teamed up and partners with Trump Media. So it says Trump Media to team up with crypto.com and ETF push. So Trump Media's empire wants to offer exchange traded funds, which have become increasingly popular, particularly those focused on cryptocurrencies. President Donald Trump's media company has signed a non-binding agreement to partner with crypto.com in offering exchange traded funds. Trump Media and Technology Group, which runs Trump's social media platform Truth Social, announced the partnership on Monday. The announcement noted that the ETFs would offer investors exposure to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Chronos, and diverse industries such as energy. So, just saying, guys, this is really a nice little tidbit of information. So it says the company added in Monday's announcement that once launched, the ETFs would be available on the crypto.com app. Wow. Wow. That's crazy. So you're going to be able to go to the app itself and be able to purchase the ETFs. So it says ETFs are popular investment vehicles which trade on stock exchanges and give investors exposure to an underlying asset. The SEC gave the green light to Bitcoin ETFs last year, leading to a flood of capital into the space. The 11 funds currently trading now manage about 100 million in assets. Ethereum focused funds have generated about 2.5 billion net inflows. So goodness, this is definitely a lot going on, which is also why I say Ethereum is not going to be dead anytime soon, guys. Just a little bit of a heads up on that information right here. Speaking of Bitcoin, let's look at the Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is at 61.4%. So that just gives us a heads up on that. Let's go ahead and look at what else positive has happened for crypto.com. We got double good news. It says that crypto.com says that the SEC's investigation has been shut with no plan to pursue charges. So what was happening, Gary Gensler and those guys from the prior administration were constantly going after people as far as like certain crypto companies, whether it's crypto.com, whether it was XP, it's constantly just trying to sue people, basically say, hey, we think you're security. And it's like, why? We don't know, but we're just going to charge you and we're gonna make you pay some fines. It says right here that the crypto.com said that the SEC will not file an enforcement action against the company. Crypto.com sued the SEC in October after it received a Wells notice from the agency, meaning that the SEC could be bringing charges. Right here, this is what happens. They said, hey, the SEC was saying stuff like, we're going to be bringing charges. And it's like, for what? We don't know, but we're going to be bringing charges. And it's like, guys, what are you doing? So thank God that most of this silliness is stopped. So let's try to move forward a little bit. It says crypto.com says that the SEC Securities and Exchange Commission has shut its investigation into the exchange, marking the last crypto firm to have the agency's probes dropped. So it says in the statement that Crypto.com said that the SEC would not file an enforcement action against the company. The SEC did not immediately respond to a request for comment. So this is what's going on right now. So Crypto.com sued the company after it receives that Wells notice, meaning that the SEC could bring in charges. Um, the funny thing about it is like the SEC kept doing this over and over again to different companies. Now that this madness has stopped, hopefully things will be able to go forward for a lot of great companies here. But listen, you got this where they're no longer dealing with these punitive investigation. Trump media has signed on to say, hey, we're going to make an ETF out of crypto.com. Once these things get passed into law, we're really going to see some great effect. Hopefully, they can get passed into law. Now, the thing about everything that, well, let me just say it like this. Nothing on the channel is financial advice. But one of the things we will mention to you very quickly is that even though these different transactions are looking to be made, we don't know necessarily that they are going to happen until they actually do happen. So right now, all of this is speculation, but there are a lot of positive signs that these ETFs will be on the way, especially since the other ones already came into effect. Let's go a little bit further. This is going to be from the X site, the crypto.com snapshot, talking about the Trump media and crypto.com launching an ETF series. Now, when you say series, that means more than one. So automatically, there's going to be some awesome things going on in that. So, but we shall see. Now, I'm looking at this nice little fact here. It says 1.3% money supply. Bitcoin now accounts for 1.3% of the total global money supply. So apparently, things are looking up for cryptocurrency overall. Let's see, crypto.com, the best place to buy, sell, and pay for crypto, et cetera, et cetera. Guys, this is going to be a no-brainer. This is going to be a winner. And my personal opinion, believe this is also going to be recession-proof. The frustrating thing right now, the things that's making a lot of us angry, is all of this uncertainty, this tariff stuff, and this, I'm not going to say too much as far as like I don't want to criticize things that I'm not sitting in the room when these decisions are made, so I can't really criticize it too hard. And two, we're not saying anything we're saying is financial advice anyhow. But the thing is, we're dealing with some issues that are going to take a little bit of time to overcome. If you're looking for a good crypto, which is what I'm seeing right here with crypto.com, full disclosure, I have a little bit myself as far as I'm also invested, but I'm not going to sit back and miss out on a crypto like this one that I know is going to automatically go up. Also, take a look at that price again. The price is at 10 cents, okay? So if you notice, let me go to the charts let's just go all time, 1 year, etc. Looks like it was already up for a while. Like it was about at 20, yeah, it was a little bit over 20 cents just in this December. Let's see, what was that? 2021, it got all the way to like 80. I do remember that myself as well. But just a heads up, guys, things are definitely going to be looking up for this particular coin. And if it does get the proper attention, it may go into a super cycle itself. But I'm guaranteeing, but not financial advice, I'm looking at least a 10 to 12x for this guy. I think it's going to smash the all-time high. Once we get all of this craziness behind us and stop doing all this uncertainty and, nobody knows where everything's set and instability in the markets and all of this stuff, I think that hopefully once, we get some clarity, and hopefully we do get some clarity in April. Also, I know some liquidity is coming. But once we get all this stuff behind us, we may see an immediate pump up for this particular crypto. But if not, we're not even worried about it. I'm telling you, with this one, if you're buying at what's the price now? I would say 10 cents. If you're in this 10 to 11 cent range, you're going to win regardless. So, guys, my personal opinion, I'm when I put cryptos on the screen now, I'm trying to just go with winners, and I'm telling you kind of like where you want to go. I wouldn't buy this one above 12 cents right now if I could help it, because you don't want to miss the boat as on this one. If you can get it below 10 cents, that would be ideal. So try to set your stop buys for like 9.9, 9.5 cents. I don't know if you're going to get it that often, but even if you do, I mean, hey, this is a great time to get into this one. This one, like I said, has done very well. The fact that it's going to be teamed up for the next few years is ideal. Now, after this particular administration is over, all bets are off. But as for now, bet on Crow and Crypto.com, Chronos. You guys have a great one. Talk with you soon.
Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Investing. And thank you for watching.